Hello everyone, I'm Bioplant, and welcome to the Surviving the Snowstorm developer commentary. I'm going to be playing through the whole game and unlocking all the achievements whilst talking about parts of the game and how they came to be. This game was originally made as a filler game for Fleeing Complex 2, which is now unfortunately cancelled, and yet this game seemed to get more popular than it, which is cool. So let's start the game. When I first started making this game, I didn't actually plan on making a Presumed Dead continuation. Just wanted to make something that was Christmas themed. So when I posted some of the teasers in the trailer, people said that it might be a Presumed Dead continuation, so I just stuck with that idea. So let's do transmitter, radio transmitter. I actually like this fail screen. Looks really cool. This is probably the best fail screen I've made so far. Top clan. This fail was made specifically to annoy the people who were begging for Reginald to be in my games, like Fleeing Complex 2. Lots of people were like, "Please add Reginald, I want to voice him." No. Government. Same deal here. People wanted Charles, they get this. I'm so good at annoying people, and I love it. Warm jacket. This was where I started running out of ideas. I was struggling to think of something that would help Henry in the cold, so I decided to just make him wear a jacket, where instead of making him warm, turned into a block of ice. Alright, cheese. This is my least favorite option in the game. Absolutely hate it. It's so painfully unfunny, yet so many people say it's the best option. Oh well. Whoops. Okay, I guess we're doing this one then. This fail was actually suggested by a good friend on GameDrop. They suggested that I should put a FNAF reference in the game, so I did. I do like the animation in this one as well. I wonder what happens when I click this. I made this as a bash on cheap jump scares that appear in horror games, and as a secret achievement. And the funny thing is, people actually found that secret scary. Wow. Doesn't take much to scare someone these days, does it? Where was I? Load save. Now this is where I was really running out of ideas. Nothing original, just rewinds back to the intro. Teleporter, classic. This might be my favorite fail in the game. I like how he gets teleported into a seemingly warm place, only to find out that he's right above a volcano. Unfortunately, some people seem to think that cheese is funnier than teleporter, which, though it is their opinion, I would have to respectfully disagree with. Bomb. Another lazy fail. Don't really have much to say about this one. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. It's just mediocre. Okay, go deeper. This is my favorite ending in the game. I like how it takes Henry back to where it all started. I also like the animation in this one as well. This is actually the second ending I made, and Binoculars was the first ending that I'd made. Just a fun fact. I keep using that same Henry scream. It's like a running joke now. Achievement. Box Transcender. Another gift. Not much to say about this one. Just some slapstick humor. And there's the Get All Fails achievement. And Binoculars. This ending is pretty boring in my opinion. The animation for this one is and it doesn't explain why Henry got his purple mask. But yeah, this is the ending that leads to one of the completing the mission routes. Let's go back to the menu. We have all the achievements. Pretty proud of how this achievement screen turned out. I did this because I made the fatal mistake of not making one for Crossing the Pit remake. So yeah, this game was made back when I said this was my last Henry Stickmin game, and was working on Fleeing Complex 2. Now I'm working on Hunting the Felons. A teaser trailer for Hunting the Felons is planned, but I don't know when I'll make it. Anyways, thanks for watching.